Welcome back at Tech-53, keeping old school performance alive. What do we got for you today? Bearings, steering column bearings. These were developed by me because of my car, because they were no longer available. I think we developed these in 2014. The original. What makes this different? There are some other ones on the market, that's fine. What makes a difference? The tolerances we have on the knurled surface here. We're talking, we keep these within a couple of thou. And we CNC machine the nylotron sleeve that's on the exterior. The bearing itself is a metal cage, not a plastic cage, it's a metal cage. The bearing count is so much bigger. There's so many bearings. It's made in Germany. We have a lifetime limited warranty, no questions asked on these. We are so confident on the quality of our product. This is the last time you're going to put one in. This here is the race. So this goes inside the steering column. We're probably going to have a DIY video eventually on that. I think it's worth it. There used to be one online, but I think it's an old one and the link got, I guess, whatever, it's gone. The race, which fits here. So this goes in the steering tube. This one here goes on the rod. It's a double D rod. As you can see, it's a double D in the inside. This is manufactured in-house, polyurethane, hydro, very good tolerancing on their molds that we made ourselves. The steel is hardened, so it's not a cheap steel. This is 4340 hardened at 48 Rockwell in order to have long life within the bearing cage. I know we're the best on the market. We have a little retainer here. What happens most of the time, the bearing, the cage which has a plastic gets brittle with the age. It gets yellow and everything. You can see that little cage hanging down right next to the universal joint on your steering column, right next to the pedals, and you could go the clunk, 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 clunk on the steering wheel. If it's just a cage and you can slide it back in and you don't want to take the steering column apart to fix the problem, you just want to do a cheap fix, we can help you out. We got the bearing retainer here. What it does, if you don't have that little lip anymore, the bearing retainer actually goes onto there, holds the sleeve. It doesn't have to have the back end. It could be broken off. It doesn't really matter. The only thing is you need to have that whole diameter really still in good shape because it has to stay true. You put that little retainer in the back, slap it on, boom. When you buy the kit, both the race and the bearing, you could just get this one here as a cheap insurance. Just hold up in the back like this and make an assembly that you will never see go back. Buy your kit today.